Hello, welcome to Earth Dragon Bricks. This is the third video in a 4-part series showcasing some Christmas themed kits. This next one is the only one that I bought myself personally, but I bought it a few years ago. The other 3 were received in 2021, all as gift with purchase. Also, I've already built this one and used it a few times, so this is the first time that I'm rebuilding this one and recording the process. Oh, there we are, there's the kit number was, so quickly just for austerity. So this is kit number 853663. Does it tell me when it was released? Sometimes they can do, can't they? 2017. This is a kit from 2017. And at the time I bought it, I didn't realise it was a fridge magnet. I just thought it was quite cute and fun. So I bought it anyway. And it was only when I put it together I realised it was a magnet. And I've had it on my fridge every year for the last 3-4 years. But since I got these special ones today, I thought, you know what? It'd be quite good to undo this one and redo it. The other thing I didn't realise, obviously this is quite a while when I got this was a buildable one. I thought this one that I just pulled out and it was already pre-made. But it was actually a buildable set. So without further ado, let's open this one up and rebuild this for you guys. Here we go. One thing I'm really glad at is that I didn't throw this away. I could have so easily thrown this away and left it, but I didn't. So I've still got the instructions, which is really, really good. Okay, and then after that we have the snowman, so we'll do the snowman next. Okay, and right, so no, I don't want to take another picture. And what's the next part? So the next part of that is not the nose, but the belly. Oh, now I need to get the next ones ready. So I'll tell you what, I'll put this one on and then I'll start getting the next lot ready because we're almost done this guy. Okay, so what's the one after this? So after the snowman, it's these dudes. I do need those, but not just yet. we do need at least a couple of these studs. Okay, so the next one after those is going to be one of these and one of these. And even one of these. I might as well bring it because you're all going to go in there anyway, so you might as well all come in now. Might as well bring you in as well, I guess. Okay, so the next one. Goes past. Oh, actually, no, it does stay exactly there. It stays there, doesn't it? Okay. I did it the wrong way, dude. Have I missed something? Yeah. This one? Oh, it doesn't really matter. Oh, hang on. It does matter. Hold on, because you should be... Okay, let me just stop a second. Let me just fix this quickly. That's on the bottom. Right, that's on the bottom. You're in the middle. You're on each end. I know that much. Okay, so there we have it. This is our fridge magnet. You've got the magnets on the back there. You've got a little girl with a couple of snowballs. Nice, cute little snowman. Now, on the snowman, on the picture here, he's got his nose turned up, but I thought it looked a bit weird. So I've actually put in his nose turned down. I think it just looks better, personally. But that's just a personal choice. But basically, this will stick on my fridge. And the great thing about this is it will fit in the box quite nicely. Normally when you buy a Lego kit, it won't fit back in the box once it's built. So this is one of those rare occasions when it will actually fit inside the box, which I think is quite a cool idea. That's episode 3, and episode 4 will be the bigger one right at the back. You probably can't see it here. But that one right at the back there, just here, hiding behind. This one will take a lot longer, so it will be a longer video, and it may even get split into 2 depending on how big the kit is and how long it takes. But anyway, I hope you've enjoyed today's video. Don't forget, if you haven't already, hit that big red subscribe button so that you don't miss out on the next videos, and make sure you turn on the notification. And if you have enjoyed it, be sure to give it a thumbs up. It shows your appreciation for the effort made to make this video special for you, and it also helps other people like yourselves to enjoy this content. Other than that, thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye bye now.